Example 2.22. Calculate the current that flows in the 1 ohm resistor in the following circuit. Now this is your circuit given. Okay. Now I am going to mark the current flowing in the circuit. So from here the current from the battery, the current passing here, it is I1. At point E, the current is splitting up into I2 and I1 minus I2. So the current through this resistor is what? I1. That is current to resistor 2 is I1. Here it is I1. Here the current is divided as what? I2. Here it is I1 minus I2. So the same current will be passing here. At this point, this current and this current will join. So the current here, it is what? Again I1. Okay. So now I am going to use the Kirchhoff's voltage rule for the loop. Okay. So I am going to take the loop. This loop I am going to take E, F, C, B, E. E, F, C, B, E. Okay. Now from E I am going to start. From E, what is the current? Here, product of current into resistance. That is 1 I2. Here, it is 3 I1. Then the resistance is here. That is 2 I1. So what is the total EMF in the circuit? Here it is 9. So this is 9. So what you can write it here? I2 and I2, that is I1 and I1 we can add it. So it is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 I1 plus I2 is equal to 9. I am going to take this as equation number 1. Now I am going to take the next loop. This loop. That is E, A, D, F, E. E, A, D, F, E. Okay. Now what is the current in the resistor? That is 3 into I1 minus I2. Here this current is in opposite direction. I2 is in opposite direction to that of this. So it is minus I2. 1 into I2, it is I2. Which is equal to how much volt is there? 6 volt is there. Battery is having 6 volt. So what you can write? 3 I1 minus 3 I2 minus I2 is equal to 6. Okay. So 3 I1 minus 4 I2 is equal to 6. I am going to take this as equation number 2. Okay. Now multiply equation 1 by 4. Is multiplied by what? 4. Equation 1 multiplied by 4. So what you get? 20 I1 plus 4 I2 is equal to 36. Now equation 2 can be written as 3 I1 minus 4 I2 is equal to 6. Now I am going to add these two. So that is 23 I1 is equal to 42. So your I1 is 42 by 23. So you will be getting the value as 1.826 ampere. Okay. Now I am going to substitute this value in equation 1. So 5 I1 plus I2 is equal to 9. So 5 into 1.826 plus I2 is equal to 9. So if you multiply this value, you will be getting it as 9.13 plus I2 is equal to 9. So I2 is equal to 9 minus 9.13, that is minus 0.13 ampere. So your I1 value is what? 1.826 and your I2 value is minus 0.13 ampere.